Cancer is not a death sentence. Kita nak take home message to the masyarakat di sana. Jangan takut cancer. Cancer tu penyakit yang dijadikan oleh Allah SWT. Dia hanya sel-sel yang entah kenapa dia tumbuh luar kawal. Tetapi we have been studying and buat research pasal cancer ni for more than 100 years. Not just doctors kat Malaysia, doctors the whole world. Saban tahun kita buat study nak improve the outcomes for the patient. It's proven, insyaAllah proven punya treatment. So jangan takut cancer. Datang buat medical check up. Kalau ada apa-apa lumps and bumps, pergi buat medical check up. Dan kalau boleh, the best is buat screening. Tak ada apa-apa pun pergi check up. Just this one, we detect any diseases early. Kita buat rawatan, kita boleh cure. And you can go back to your family and society to function. So you need to be positive. Jangan takut. Dan sekarang ni dengan keadaan sekarang, even things like macam lung cancer. Dulu smokers yang dapat lung cancer. Sekarang ni actually non-smokers dapat lung cancer. Sebab passive smoking dan juga
secondary.
Not just that. Sekarang ni a study published in a major medical journal, air pollution
pun boleh contribute,
can cause lung cancer. So anybody can get lung cancer. So macam mana? Bukannya kita nak takut, tapi kena ada kesedaran. Any symptoms, pergi buat check up. Jangan tunggu, jaga kesihatan diri. Like you said, health is wealth. Kalau kita tak jaga kesihatan diri, then
no one is going to take care of our
there's
health.
no point. We cannot
kan?
function in the family. We cannot in our career and all that.
But it goes back to the 3 fears lah. Macam doktor kata, awareness dah ada. One is people low literacy on health. So dia orang tak nak buat screening. But just like me also, even though I know, I still because of busyness tak pergi buat. Kedua, people are afraid of the diagnosis itself. Kalau dapat tahu, macam mana? So macam itulah. Bila you dapat tahu, you kena decide on what treatment. Then the third fear come in, the cost. This is where we as a bank, I'm today as a cancer patient, I'm also from a bank perspective. This is where we come in. Why I have that positiveness, I can have peace of mind. Because under the bank, we are covered with no limit. Tapi seandainya this disease was, kalau dia hit I after 60, after my retirement, insyaAllah, I'm also covered under medical plan. I already bought when I was 40 plus. In anticipation, kalau I dah retire, the bank will no longer bagi that umbrella. So I dah beli. So once you have medical plan, samalah tadi. Even though you are afraid, once you know, you tahu money is there. It's a matter of just choosing the correct treatment. So ini at the bank, we want to also create the awareness that you kena ada that risk management. Dalam banking we call it risk management. Dalam Islam that is required under maqasid syariah. Al-nafas is menjaga nyawa. So nyawa ni termasuklah you kena ada takaful plan in term of medical, which kita ada. As low as 50, 100, 150 you dah boleh setiap bulan.
And it's a misconception bila orang fikir macam you kena put aside beribu, 800-900 a month. Like you say, it's as low as berapa? 100 ringgit,
50 100, 150 depending on the plan. Like for our bank, kita ada Mzara Flexi, Mzara Elite, Protect. So you can come, just walk in any of the branches. Kita ada specialist to advise you. Like myself, I told you I have medical plan. Bayangkan sekarang at this age 57, ada cancer stage 2. Kalau if I decided to take a takaful plan or medical plan, which company now want to cover me?
Dah tak
akan. Katalah kalau nak jugalah, kesian dia. There will be exclusion. Anything related to cancer dah tak boleh.
Dan kos perubatan pula semakin mahal treatment nowadays.
That is why you kena beli waktu you healthy, waktu you muda. You kena put aside. So that is why I use 70-20-10 rule. Dari dulu 70% untuk my expenses, beli rumah and all that, 20% for investment, 10% for protection. That's why dari dulu I ada up till now 7 policy.
Wow.
Medical satulah.
Terkejut Puan Suhailah.
Critical illness ada. Inilah bila Allah bagi, dapat duit juga. Bank dah bayar tu. Tapi ada juga critical illness that I'm waiting for the payment pun.